Hi guys, I wanted to come and share with you a website that I personally have been using to get more insight on the affiliate marketing business. It has been very lucrative for me, and a lot of you guys out there have been asking a lot of questions in regards to affiliate marketing. And I said I would make a video about it in the very, very near future, but I need to, get a little bit more familiar with it myself. But I am a living witness that you can make some very, very good money with affiliate marketing. So there's this website called Udemy or Udemy. A lot of people pronounce it different ways, but it's udemy.com. You can come over here and they have a lot of different courses that you can take. These are actual lectures, videos from a lot of different people who are very successful in the industry that are doing very detailed coaching sessions, basically teaching you how to promote products, teaching you how to create ads, teaching you how to create websites, a lot of different things. Now, you can find a lot of free information on YouTube. But I like to remind people that getting free information from YouTube, they're only going to share so much. Okay, they're only going to share so much. And if you notice that at the end of a lot of those videos on YouTube, they may be like, okay, purchase my ebook or whatever if you want, the real lowdown on my particular strategy on how I make $500 a day. So they're going to try to upsell you. But you can come over here. They have these courses. They actually have them on sale right now. As this is the one that I'm taking. I'm not signed in right now, but this is the one that I'm taking right now. As you can see, it's a bestseller. Now, the thing that I love about Udemy is that you can come on over here and they actually have reviews, and you can see the ratings here. And these are actual people who have taken the courses and they rate it and they'll tell you about their experience with the course and all that stuff. They have a lot of different ones on here. This one, for example, like I said, I'm taking this course right here. This is Clickbank Success Affiliate Marketing Without a Website. A lot of people ask about this because a lot of people actually want to know how they can make money doing affiliate marketing without a website. And this particular course right here actually explains all of that. I'll click on it and it'll tell you exactly what you'll be learning. Okay. Here it gives you a rundown of everything you'll be learning. It says you'll gain the knowledge to select good, profitable Clickbank products to promote. Now I'm going to show you guys what Clickbank is. Clickbank is one of the affiliate marketing programs that you can go to right now. It's 100% free to join Clickbank. And I'm going to show you some of the products over there on Clickbank that you can actually promote and make money promoting, okay? You'll gain the skill to boost your campaign performance by tracking keywords that lead to actual sales. Again, remember I told you that it's technical when you're doing affiliate marketing. It's not just about putting a product out there and expecting people to buy it. You have to understand how, you have to make sure you're putting in the right keywords, make sure you're targeting the right audience and all of that, okay? You will also learn how to promote Clickbank products on Facebook with $0. Now, there's another thing a lot of people have issues with. They always want to know, do you have to spend money on Facebook ads? Now, don't get me wrong. You will generate sales, I'll take that back. You can generate sales without actually purchasing ads, but it's going to take a lot of time, okay, in order for you to make money doing affiliate marketing without spending any money, okay? But they will show you a system on how you can promote products on Facebook with no money, without having to purchase any Facebook ads, okay? You also gain the skill to create a profitable advertising campaign and make money with Clickbank without a website. Gain the skill to build your own squeeze page without a domain and attract subscribers / opt-ins. Now, a lot of people don't know what a squeeze page is. I'm going to give you an example of what a squeeze page is, okay? I'm going to go to my account. Not my account, but my MCA page, okay? This right here is the prime example of what a squeeze page is. All a squeeze page is just a lead capture page where you're gonna send your potential customers to. They're gonna read over it and they're gonna see some information. It's basically gonna capture the potential customer's attention. That's all a capture page or a squeeze page is. It's a page that basically puts the information out there in front of the customer, and they'll either act on it or they'll basically click off, okay, to be perfectly honest with you. So they're actually going to show you how to build your own squeeze page / lead page or capture page or whatever, okay? And you're going to discover new concepts and marketing strategies that you can apply to other affiliate marketing programs besides Clickbank, because there are several others, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you about some, and let me go back for a second because I don't want to get ahead of myself, but there are several different programs over here that you can take, okay? There are several different classes. As you can see, this one in particular, it has 57 lectures, okay? 57 lectures, and they have very, very good ratings. It's 3,302 people that have taken this particular course, and they have a 4.5 rating. That's very, very good. Now, the course is normally $194.99. They actually have it on sale for 5 days, 5 more days rather, for $9.99. So this is a $200 course that's on sale right now for $9. I'm not affiliated with Udemy, so I don't have any affiliate links. So I'm just basically just sharing this information. Also here you have this particular course that tells you how you can do affiliate marketing with Amazon, because a lot of people purchase off Amazon, and you can actually refer people to Amazon products, and this particular course actually shows you how to do that. It is 274 lectures, and it's 18 hours worth of information, okay? The one that I'm taking is 3 hours of information, all right? Here's another one, Beginner Affiliate Marketing, Start Your Own At-Home Business, 519 ratings, 4.5, and it's $9.99. It's normally a $200 course. It's 130 lectures, 6.5 hours of information. So you can just go through here and you can just type in here at the top anything that you want to know. If you want to know about the drop shipping business, okay? A lot of you guys may or may not know what drop shipping is. You can actually basically sell products to people without having to buy anything. And I know you're probably like, well, how can I sell things to people without having to buy anything? You actually have people who have systems set up to where entire stores where basically, just say for instance, you have an air fryer that you purchase from, or that you're selling on your website, okay? You have the air fryer listed on your website for $199. You have people that come to your website, they purchase the air fryer off of your website. You, in turn, go to AliExpress.com and you purchase that same exact air fryer for $99. You actually have it shipped from the AliExpress website directly to the customer, and you get a $100 profit, okay? You get a $100 profit off a $99 air fryer that you got off AliExpress.com, okay? So this is basically what drop shipping is, and they have whole entire websites, whole entire courses here that will explain to you how to do drop shipping. This one has 3,922 ratings. It's normally a $200 course for $9.99. The course is titled Make Money, the Complete Shopify AliExpress Dropship Course. And you also have like a lot of different, you can just come here and scroll down. Just go to the search feature up here and it will pull up anything that you want to know. If you want to know how to do Facebook ads, if you want to know how to make Facebook ads, you can actually come over here and type that in and it'll pull up this one right here, Facebook ads and Facebook marketing mastery. It has 8,461 ratings. It's a $200 course for $9.99. This is a bestseller. Okay, it's 4.5. So it's a lot of information over here. And like I said, yes, you can get free information off of Amazon. However, free information off of YouTube. It is only so much information that people are going to give to you for free, especially when they've spent a lot of money on coaching, when they spent a lot of money on classes and different things like that. It's only so much they're going to give to you for free. All right. So you're going to have to pay a little bit of money to get the lowdown of the ins and outs of this business. And like I said, these are $200 courses that they have on sale now for $9.99. So I wanted to come and share that with you guys. Now let's talk about some of the actual affiliate marketing programs that you guys can go and join. The very first one that I'm going to tell you guys about is Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank. So all you have to do is just type in Clickbank, clickbank.com. It's 100% free. You do not have to have a website. You don't have to be a affiliate marketing guru or anything. You can actually come and join Clickbank right now for 100% free. You don't have to be anybody important to be able to join Clickbank. Clickbank, anybody can join it. So you come over to Clickbank, you join, you click here to create an account, and you'll automatically be approved. So you don't have to go through any type of approval process. You'll automatically be approved to come on Clickbank and promote products for them and make commissions, okay? So what you're going to do after you do that, you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, all right? And when you come over here, you're going to see these categories here on the side. So let's just click on one for me to give you an example of something that you can promote. All right. So I'm going to click on health and fitness. All right. So, all right. So here's one example right here. So this is a system called Lean Belly Breakthrough. All right. So I'm going to click on this. Well, before I click on it, I'm going to show you guys the commission you will make. So if you promote this product right here, and for every sale that you make, you will make, or whatever sale that they make, you will earn $38.94. All right. For every sale that they get on this particular product, by you sharing it, you will get $40. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. All right, so this is basically what this particular program is right here. Do this simple 2-minute ritual to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours. And it's a $37 system. And for every one of these systems that they get a sale for that you have promoted, they will pay you $38.94. Here's another one right here where you will make $123.96 for every one of these that they actually get a sale for via your affiliate marketing link. Here's another one that's been pretty popular. There's this guy that I follow on Facebook. I've been following some of his affiliate marketing strategies, and he's actually promoting this one right here. And he told me that he's made a lot of bank off of this particular product right here. And this is the, let me go back here. This is actually the red tea detox. And for every sale that they got on this, he made $28.19. So he's been making a lot of money off of this red tea right here. And now what I always like to tell people, or what I would tell people, is if you're going to promote something, make sure you're promoting something that you actually believe in. Don't just go out here and promote any of these products that you yourself don't believe in. Make sure you do your research on it first, because there are a lot of people out there that will just promote crap to get a sale. So I would not recommend anybody do that. So just make sure that you're only promoting things that you honestly and truly believe in. Okay. So all you would do is, once you come over here and once you find a product that you're interested in, what you would do is you would actually click here on promote. Okay. And once you click on promote, it's actually going to generate an affiliate link that's going to be unique to you. So once you click on promote and you grab that affiliate link, for every sale that you actually make with that particular link, they're going to pay you whatever commission is relevant to that particular product. And there's several, okay, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products, okay, hundreds and hundreds of products for you to choose from. So again, this is a website that you can come over to right now. You don't have to be you don't have to have a website. You don't have to have a blog. You don't have to have a vlog, a YouTube channel. Any regular Joe can come over here and get an account with Clickbank and do some affiliate marketing with this. Okay. So that's one of the products I need to click off of that. This is another company right here, affiliate program. Now, this is one of the higher paying affiliate marketing programs right here that you can get into. It's called MaxBounty. Now, the thing about MaxBounty is you have to, not just any Joe can get in here. You have to have a little bit of working knowledge on the affiliate marketing business. You have to have a website because they're a little bit more stricter. Because when you come over to apply for MaxBounty, it's going to ask you what type of traffic are you going to be sending to the offers. And not just that, it's going to ask you like an array of different questions. And you're actually going to have to do a phone interview with an affiliate manager. Now, I am a part of MaxBounty. I actually had to do an interview on the phone with one of the affiliate managers, and I actually got approved for this program. Now, I'm really proud of myself for getting approved for MaxBounty, because a lot of people actually that have been in the business for several years have actually said that they've been turned down several times for MaxBounty. So I'm very proud of myself for getting in here. But this is another website for you guys to go to if you're interested in a really high paying affiliate marketing program. Another one is PEERFLY. This is another one that's great for affiliate marketing. Now, as well as MaxBounty, you're going to have to answer a few questions, and you're also going to have an affiliate manager that's going to send you an email, and they might have some additional questions that they want to ask you as far as what type of traffic are you going to be driving to the products and different things like that, because they will need to know those types of things, okay? Another one that anybody can go and sign up for is Amazon, okay? Amazon affiliate program. It's 100% free for you to go over and join. As you can see, join for free. And most 95% of people that I know actually buy products off of Amazon. You can come over here, sign up for the affiliate program. And if you're telling somebody about a product or you're promoting a product, all you have to do is come over here, grab your affiliate link, drop it wherever you're telling somebody about the product, and every time a person clicks on that affiliate link, you will earn a commission from that product. So this is another great website for you to go to promote some affiliate products. All right. Another one is Share a Sale. This is another one where you guys can come and sign up and promote some affiliate products. And this, again, these websites are free for you to sign up for. You don't have to pay any type of money. Now with PEERFLY and MaxBounty, you will have to have a little bit of working knowledge of the affiliate marketing business in order to get into it, but you won't have to pay any money to get into it, but you will have to have a phone interview for MaxBounty, okay? And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. I will definitely tell you guys to look up some free information on YouTube. There's a lot of free information out there. However, if you want the real lowdown ins and outs of the affiliate marketing business, I would definitely tell you to come over here to Udemy, Udemy, however you want to pronounce it, udemy.com, and just type in the search feature whatever type of course you're looking for. It does not matter. Even if you're wanting to learn how to start your own cleaning business, okay, you can come over here and type that in, and I'm pretty sure a program will pop up for that. So anything that you're wanting to know about, these people have the working knowledge. And not just that, I love the fact that you can just sit here and you can just click on the ratings and you can read over some of the reviews that people have for it. Like, for instance, this course right here, the Facebook ads course. This person says, amazing course. The name says it all. Truly a mastery course. I was a beginner and now I know so much that I didn't know before, and goes on and on. So you can come over and look at the reviews and, you know, just make a educated decision on what course you want to take and what course you don't, and go over here and sign up for some of these affiliate marketing campaigns. Like I said, the first one that I personally would recommend that you sign up for is Clickbank, because you don't have to have any type of working knowledge of the affiliate marketing program or anything like that, or the affiliate marketing business. You can just go and sign up for a Clickbank account and come and start promoting some of these offers right here. But again, promote the offers that you believe in. Don't just promote any old offer that you don't believe in for some cash, okay? And you can also look on YouTube on how to make some squeeze pages or all that. Or if you're going to be taking some of these classes on Udemy, you can actually type in there how to make a squeeze page. But I would recommend that you look on YouTube for that, because they have all of the information that you need on YouTube for that. But as far as affiliate marketing, these people really go deep into the business, and I would recommend you come over here and check out some of those courses. So that's something to get you guys started. That's pretty much all that I had to share with you guys on that. Like I said, I will be coming back with more detailed videos on affiliate marketing once I get some more working knowledge of the ins and outs of it. But it's a gold mine. I would definitely tell you that it's a gold mine. It is a powerhouse of a business, and I can't wait to learn more. So I will see you guys in the next video.